even though some people say you shouldn't need it and I should be able to use one of these, but when I connect one of these to the end, it don't stay lit. It's only when I connected the 3/4 to 1 1/4 flange that it stays lit. But it's doing pretty good. I got a 30 psi regulator, and right now it's only running at what's that say, let me lower it down to, that's about 5 psi right there. Seems to be doing pretty good. Close these, and that slows down the flame. Open them up. I can heat this muffle up. I put my knife blank in there without getting direct heat. Yeah, see how it goes. Got to get my knife blank ready and go from there. If anybody has any ideas or suggestions on why it's not working with the coupler nut, or I forget what they call this, it's just basically, it looks like a coupler nut, but it's straight instead of having these flanges on the end. But as long as it's working, that's all I care about. But I'm curious why it wouldn't be working with that. It lights, but as soon as I turn the propane lighter off, it shuts down. So I'm very curious to get it figured out. The forge came together pretty good. It's about 13.5 inches long. It's got an exhaust port for, from what I saw on YouTube, a couple of people said it needs some kind of an exhaust port out the back end. It's about, I believe, 4.5 inches tall and 6.5 inches wide, 13.5 inches long. So that's bigger than anything I'm going to be putting in it. So see how it works out. Like I said, if anybody has any ideas what that could be, the problem. As far as the MIG tip, I think I pretty much have it centered. I don't know. I'm new to this, so like I said, if anybody has any ideas, please leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching.